पहली बार हिल रोड आया हूँ. I'm also very excited to see what I pick out today. I feel like I'm in Bangkok. Hill Road's new brand ambassador, Shots. Hill Road का राजा.
Welcome to Midday.com. Today, the location where we are at is known to everyone. It combines Mumbai's vibrant shopping center with delicious food restaurants. Yes, you guessed it right. We're at Hill Road, Bandra. And joining us today is none other than Sahil Salaria, who will be exploring Hill Road with us.
अब बार्गेनिंग वो करने नहीं देगा बिकॉज उसको पहले ही पता चल गया मैं गधा हूँ. किडनी बेचूंगा अब फिक्स रेट नो रिफंड.
Sahil!
Hey, hi.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm so happy
Good
to
to
meet
see
you
you.
today. So what's the plan? What are we doing?
Actually, firstly, I was waiting for you. Now, since I found you,
I'm
great.
I'm right here.
Let's just shop a little, maybe.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I've been told Hill Road जो है मतलब it's like a treasure for things that you don't expect to find, but you find them here.
That's true. Very
So
true.
let's
Very
do
true.
that. Let's find some great gems.
What's the vibe for today? What are we looking at?
The
What's
vibe.
the aesthetic?
The vibe is always fun. The vibe is always being yourself. So it really depends, यार. जब मुझे दिखेगा सामान, I'll see जो मेरे दिल के साथ connect करेगा, I'll buy it.
So what's the general kind of aesthetic that you look for?
So generally, my aesthetic is very edgy. At least
Right.
I'm in a phase in life where I like to wear edgy things. I like to wear things that make a statement. So I'm not in my classic phase. I'm more in the edgy phase.
I mean, I love what you're wearing today.
Thank you.
It's
Thank you.
very statement. I love
Thank
it.
you.
look amazing.
Thank you.
So yeah, I'm excited to see what you pick out today.
Right. I'm also very excited to see what I pick out today. Let's
Start off
let's go.
figure.
Let's go.
Show me what you had in mind.
All right, let's go. Let's go here. Like I love these shorts. They're too tiny, but I wear tiny shorts. That's my style.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. I even like this. You know, it's very classic. It's got
It's
that.
your comfy home.
Yeah, comfy.
feeling.
No, comfy home, but I think it still makes a statement because it looks very 70s, vintagey. You know. Let me see a few more. और है यार shorts. बस यही है. Okay, I think we should go ahead with this pair. यार थोड़ा प्राइस ठीक लगाना है. अच्छा अब 7 ले रहा हूँ, इसका तो ठीक लगा दे. कितना हो गया 7 का? कितना हो गया 7 का?
14.
तो चल 1300. अब बार्गेनिंग वो करने नहीं देगा बिकॉज उसको पहले ही पता चल गया मैं गधा हूँ. ये एक एक सब चाहिए. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shots. But you know, with these shots, graphic will be a lot. You've really, I think, gotten me addicted to a new place. I feel like I'm in Bangkok.
Isn't this heaven?
Yeah. And itna matlab, there's lots of cool stuff. Hill Road's new brand ambassador.
Let's keep looking. You're gonna find something. I know it.
Kinda. I mean, okay. Not. कितने की है यार ये? 250. किडनी बेचूंगा अब. अच्छा दिल बे. वाह. 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 So.
I think we gotta stick to the mission and really like dig
Look
into
for
the
white. Yeah, I like this. Right?
Yeah,
Quite cool.
that is quite cool. Kind of cool.
With the green, I like this
Yeah,
also, to
kinda
be
cool,
honest.
Yeah.
It's
It
quite a
might
mood.
go, yeah.
Yeah. Somehow my heart still says the white one, yeah. This one.
So you have two options. We can either shortlist these and go ahead with these, or maybe explore a little bit more.
It's very hot to explore more. I think I've gotten what I wanted.
Perfect.
I think let's stick to this.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah, mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
We've got the look.
Yes, we
जो
do.
चाहिए था वो मिल गया. 200.
No, 200.
No 200.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God. Fixed rate, no refund.
Fixed rate, no refund. यहाँ पे आके ये
Plain as day.
हरकतें मत करना कि 50 रुपया कम करो 100 रुपया कम करो. Behave. Okay, so let's do this.
Okay, perfect.
ये दे दो यार. एक्सेल है ये. लार्ज है.
Large और XL same ही है. दोनों
Honestly, I kind of like the olive green.
I like both.
Yeah.
और कोई कलर है नहीं बस.
आपको ऑरेंज मिलेगा फिर बैगी आएगा.
दिखा मेरे को. तो मैं बैगी क्यों नहीं करूँगा?
सब लूज आएगा. डाउन शोल्डर.
Hey, this is also nice.
Yeah,
ये
very.
तीनों मेरे को 300 का लगा. चल 400. टोटल 1000. नहीं चल 1100 तीनों का. All right, this one or this one? What do you think?
I'm kind of feeling the white.
I'm also feeling the white.
Yeah.
Okay, अब तो मैंने बहुत ज्यादा शॉप कर लिया है.
And this.
And this.
And this.
Hill Road का राजा.
I would say we're happy with the haul.
We are very happy. मैं मेरी पूरी जिंदगी में I was just telling her पहली बार Hill Road आया हूँ.
I would feel like this Hill Road is one of the best spots in Mumbai to shop
Sure.
and really get what you're looking for and
After-
different kinds of things.
And after today, I don't think it's one of the best. I think it's the best. I'm
Agreed.
kind of addicted.
Agreed.
Yeah, I found a new addiction in my life.
Worth
Hill Road.
the wait. Worth the wait.
Sure. All right, man. So shopping ho gayi hai. Now I'm gonna change from my jumpsuit into what I bought. So I'll see you.
So good to be here
I
finally.
know. Coffee is very nice. मेरा चेहरा भी है coffee पे. Yeah.
Can you tell us some of the highlights in this long journey? How did this start?
The biggest highlight of my life has been to represent India at pre-Oscars in South Asian Excellence. Again, I got lucky, is how I would like to believe it. Of course, some hard work, some dedication, some persistence in terms of the kind of work I do, because I really believe in doing quality work. And I think my Instagram's kind of, I think you can tell कि ये थोड़ा पागल है और इसका थोड़ा दिमाग खराब है.
ऐसा नहीं है यार, ऐसा नहीं है.
इसके थोड़े स्क्रू हिले हुए हैं, पर अभी यही है जो है.
ऐसा नहीं है. I don't think so. I think your Instagram is very you, and I think that's
Thank
the point of Instagram. It's
Yes.
to showcase yourself.
And I'm so glad you think that, because Instagram में भी कई बार I feel क्या होता है ना, रैट रेस हो जाती है. दूसरे बंदे ने ये डाला है, मुझे भी ये करना पड़ेगा. इसने ये डाला है तो मैं भी वैसा कर देता
To
हूँ.
stay on the trend, yeah.
Yeah. But I think sometimes it's important to just be you, and that's what makes you unique.
You know, it's very interesting that you mentioned pre-Oscars event and Hollywood, because it kind of leads me into my next question, which was, how did you come about this opportunity and what was the experience like?
So I think, one thing leads to the other. I was representing India at New York Fashion Week this year, which was in Feb. Over there, I met the team that's actually responsible for the pre-Oscar South Asian Excellence. And they said, Sahil, because you've done so many Indian outfits, so because there was so much thought that went into the outfits, and they were so Indian and exotic in their own way, it led me to Paramount. So I think one thing leads to the other.
You also mentioned that you were at New York Fashion Week. How was that like?
New York Fashion Week is such a hub for all these global brands to come together. So to be an Indian actor or an Indian celebrity or an Indian influencer being there, it's definitely something that makes me feel a lot of gratitude, because you get to see the latest fashion, you get to see the latest trends, you get to meet the coolest people, and I thoroughly enjoyed it.
You know, being someone who kind of really embraces your own style in today's online world, how does it really, do you ever get negative criticism and just like a lot of hate comments?
much.
How do you kind of deal with that?
I don't deal with that. I'm telling you, I don't deal with that. Like, hate is, I mean, why would you want to waste your time on the hatred that's coming your way when you have so much love coming too? You concentrate on something and then it grows further.
What's your mantra like to deal with this kind of stuff?
Live and let live. I've always believed in that. See, it took me a second to tell you that I believe in live and let live, because that's really something that I believe in.
So you mentioned that your next series with Viacom is all set for release.
Yes.
Big whoop for that.
Yeah.
So what can viewers, I know you can't really tell us too much,
I
but
know.
what can viewers like expect? Give us a little bit sneak peek.
Yeah. It's in this show. It's an urban setting. It's a very cool show. We shot it in Thailand. Major portion of it. It's about these rich people who are kind of twisted. Yeah.
And who doesn't love to see that?
Who doesn't love some drama?
So I think that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for being here today and really like teaching us so much and giving us a glimpse into your life and taking us along Hill Road. That was an experience, I think.
It was. I have to be very honest. You have such great energy. You made the whole process so much fun. And thank you. I feel I have learned so much, such cool things today. Hill Road, new addition to my life. This restaurant's amazing. So thank you. You great
Thank you
energy.
so much. That's so sweet. Thank you
Pleasure,
so much
pleasure.
for being here.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.